want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. If not, welcome back. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. So y'all obviously already seen the title. Today is a maintenance vlog. This is going to be the first maintenance vlog of 2024. So we got to do the whole nine, okay? Lashes, hair, nails, toes, all that, okay? Okay. So right now, I'm about to go to my hair appointment. My appointment's at 1 o'clock. It's like 12:05. So I'm about to go ahead and head out because I need to go to the ATM, get some cash, and then go to my appointment. She's about 30 minutes away. So that's today. And then after my hair appointment, I'm going to get my toes done. And then tomorrow, so it's going to be a 2-day video. Tomorrow, I'm going to get my lashes done, and then I'm going to do my nails. I don't know if I'm going to do my nails today or tomorrow. I'm not really sure yet, but tomorrow for sure my lashes and my hair for sure today, and my toes today. And then we'll squeeze nails in somewhere in there. Alright, y'all, so it's currently 12:11. I'm at the ATM getting some cash out for my appointment. And then we're going to go ahead and head there. GPS says I should get there at 12:41, which is enough time just in case there's like some unexpected traffic. I look crazy right now, but I'm going to look cute in a couple hours. Oh shit, I just poked a hole in the money. So I just made it to my appointment. I had to stop and get a wig cap because I guess she ran out. But anyway, it's 12:58. My appointment is at 1, so I'm going to go ahead and go upstairs. And I will see y'all when I get inside. Alright y'all, so the hair is done. I'm going to insert a clip of the video of my hair that she took after this clip, but y'all see it. It's giving this my real hair. And I know last time I forgot to put her name in the description, but I'm going to put it on the screen for this time. Yeah, y'all. Looking real cute. I'm itchy. I got to get this hair off me when I get home. And to go home, get something to eat, and I'm gonna go ahead and go get my toes done, and then I have a client at 6, so I'm probably just gonna do my nails tomorrow. All right, y'all, so I'm back from getting my hair done, but the next thing on the to-do list is to get my toes done. It's currently 3:12 right now, so I have a client at 6. I don't know. I'm kind of tired. I kind of don't feel like going right now. I might go after I eat. I don't know. If she's gonna be here at 6, it's already 3. By the time I'm ready to go, it's gonna be 4. I'm probably not gonna go today. I'm probably not gonna go. I'm not even gonna lie. I might just go tomorrow. I just don't feel like going right now. I want to eat first, and then I have a client at 6, and they close at like 7 or 8, I think. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna make it before they close after my client. So I'm probably just gonna get my nails done, my toes done tomorrow. I might do my nails today. So I'm not getting my toes done. Yeah, I'm gonna do my nails today, and then I do my toes tomorrow and my lashes tomorrow. So I will see y'all later on when I get ready to do my nails. But before I go, I do want to show y'all this little gadget that I got from Amazon. Well, it's not a gadget, but it's like a camera accessory from Amazon. So it literally came like right before I got home. So I'm gonna open it right quick and show y'all. This is what it is, y'all. It is a camera lens, like HD wide and macro conversion. So I know good and well I ordered the one for my camera. This one doesn't say if it's my camera. I'm gonna be so pissed if I got the wrong one. It says that it's for the Sony ZV-E10, not the one that I have. I could have swore I ordered the one that was compatible with my camera. Hold on. Because I know good and well I did not just wait all this, well, not all this time because it wasn't like a day. But I know I didn't just get all hype and I can't even use this thing right now. It says compatible with Sony ZV-1F. Okay, but this is the one I ordered. I think it was like $50 or like something like that. Or maybe a little bit cheaper than that. But this is the one I got, y'all. So I'm about to put it on the camera and see what it look like. Hold on, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. I was gonna cry because I was trying to put it on and it wasn't going on. Girl, I had it backwards. But this is literally me like far away with my arm all the way out. Like this. And this is literally me like with my arm on my side. Like, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look tacky. It don't make the camera look big or nothing. Like this gonna eat when I'm doing like my hair video. Yes, it's gonna eat. I like this. I highly recommend it. I will link it down in the description box so y'all can buy it. And yeah, I definitely like this. All right, y'all, so the time is currently 7 o'clock and I just finished my client like around 6:15, and I got her to come early. So since I got her to come early, I asked my lash tech if I can come today instead of tomorrow, because tomorrow I got 2 clients and then I'll have to go get my lashes done and I just didn't want to do that. And she said I could, so I'm about to go get my lashes done, y'all. This is the before. I need to feel real bad. Looking real thin and sparse, but we about to get them. We about to get them back right. So I will see y'all when we get there because we're on the vlog. So I just made it to my lash appointment. It is 7:29 on the dot. So your girl did great with time. And I just told her I was here. She just opened my message. So I'm probably about to be going in. And I will see y'all when I get inside. Are you gonna be in my vlog?
Huh?
Are you gonna be in the video?
Oh, girl, I don't care.
Oh, wait, where you?
Wait a minute, where am I at?
Hey, y'all. So let's get these lashes done. Back from my lash appointment, and y'all seen the lashes in the last clip, but we'll just give you another close-up just to feel, you know, nothing too crazy. But yeah, y'all, so the time is 9:19, and that concludes day 1 of my maintenance vlog. So I got my hair done, got my lashes done, and tomorrow we're doing nails and toes. Well, I don't know if we're gonna do nails and toes tomorrow because I have to work tomorrow and then I have 2 clients after work. So we might not do nails and toes tomorrow. We might just say that for Saturday. I'm not sure. But this concludes day 1 of the maintenance vlog, and I will see y'all either tomorrow or Saturday. I don't know which one.
I be coming back to back, yeah. Play it by your neck, yeah. Tell you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to stretch yourself.
It's currently like 6:30. The last time y'all saw me was like 9 o'clock this morning, so it's been a minute. But I'm about to go get my toes done, and then I'm gonna show y'all my nails, my toes together. So yeah, let's go ahead and go.
Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. You know I ain't these types of hoes, but boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Living that you here to stay, we'll see how it plays after. Boy, you say you're done with games.
Hey y'all, so it's like 8 o'clock right now. I got back like around 7:30, and then I had to go check the mail because I had a package from Amazon. But I had to get myself situated. It's so cold outside, y'all. It's not even funny. But I got a package from Amazon. I'm so excited. I ordered it this morning, like around 6 something in the morning, and it came today. And I'm super excited. It's gonna help me when I'm editing my videos. I don't know why it was put in this box. Oh, okay, it does fit in this box. This is what it is, y'all. It's a wireless keyboard case. Because I edit on my iPad, I take my iPad everywhere I go. I realized that it didn't come with the mouse pad on it, but I'm actually okay with it because at first I wanted the mouse pad because it looked more sophisticated, but at the end of the day I'm probably not going to use it. I always use my like little stylus Apple Pencil or whatever. So yeah, but of course it's pink. It looks lighter on camera, but it's actually like the same color as my current iPad case. So this is my current one, my current case. So I'm gonna change it out with the new one. So the new case is a little bit bigger because the keyboard is in it. I ain't got nothing to do with maintenance, y'all, but I'm so excited to use it. I need to put it on. So it opens like that, like that. Okay. Who needs instructions? Here's a little charger. Oh, you gotta charge the keyboard. I forgot about that. Yeah. So I'm gonna take it out of here. Put it in here. And then it got a little area for your pen. And then, oh, here's the keyboard, y'all. Here's the keyboard. She's really cute. It's already getting busy. It's magnetic. And then, I don't know if I have to charge it right now. Why I can't get this? Okay, y'all, so I got it. This was gonna look like. It got the light up keyboard. It switched colors, or you can make it stop. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but I'm super excited. I'm gonna be editing tonight, and I'm gonna be typing. So like when I'm putting like my words or like making my thumbnail or on the internet, whatever, I can type, and I don't gotta be worried about that annoying like tapping noise for me tapping on the screen. So that pretty much concludes my maintenance vlog. So on Thursday I got my hair done. Friday I got my lashes done. Today's Saturday I did my nails, and then I got my toes done, and we are all set. This is the first maintenance vlog of 2024. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social medias that are linked down below in the description box. And I don't know why she watched me like that, but we're gonna see y'all in the next video.